In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Kling AI app on Android. If you've been curious about creating AI-generated videos and images right from your phone, this quick walkthrough will get you set up with the official Kling AI app in just a few taps. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the trusted place to safely download apps, and it makes the whole process simple. Make sure you're connected to the internet, preferably on Wi-Fi if you want the download to move quickly, and give the Play Store a second to load your homepage. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This brings up your keyboard and helps you jump directly to the app you want without scrolling. In the search field, type Kling AI. Spell it exactly like that to narrow down the results. You should see a list of matching apps appear beneath the bar within a moment. From the results, look for the official listing titled Kling AI Image and Video Maker. It's published by the developer shown on the page. Verifying the exact name helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're installing the legitimate tool with the features you want. When you spot it, tap the app to open its details page. Here, you can skim the description and screenshots if you'd like extra confirmation you've got the right one. Now press install. The Play Store will start downloading the app and then automatically handle the setup. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your connection and storage space. If the progress bar pauses briefly, that's normal. It's just preparing the app in the background. When the installation finishes, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Kling AI. The first start may show a brief loading or welcome screen, and then you'll be taken into the main interface where you can begin exploring. Once you're in, here's what you can do with Kling AI. Generate AI videos from text prompts, create brand new AI images, animate your existing photos to bring them to life, and enhance your media with AI effects and editing tools. Start with a simple idea, like describing a short scene for a video or a style for an image, and build from there as you get comfortable. That's it. Kling AI is now installed and ready to use on your Android phone. Enjoy creating and have fun exploring what you can make.